Today I want to show you how to unfold the surface inside the AutoCAD. Here's actually the part from one client, and here is just a moment here. This is actually the model, and if you see from the different angle here, let me see here, different angle, and yeah, this is actually, see here, this is a sharp jaw on here, and it's three pieces, not continuous surface. So, and you can unfold each pieces here with our software. But this is a solid model here. We cannot handle solid model. We only handle the surface model. So in this case, you have to use the AutoCAD command explode, and then to get the solid, get the surface. I'm sorry, and then we can unfold each surfaces. So, and here we have already explode, and then we just delete all these surface that we don't want here. And you see here you can delete, use inside, outside surface, but it doesn't matter which one you choose here. You just keep one here, and then you can just delete all these surface that you don't need, top or bottom. And then after that, you're going to get the model here like this one here. This is actually the model that I have deleted the top surface, and then you can see there's three pieces here actually. Then because this is sharp drawn, here's three surfaces, so you unfold each individual one here, but this is on top of that is symmetric, so you can just unfold each of them here. So, and now we can use the command here, unfold surface. So our the unfold surface is plugin command from our software. So once you download the software from our website and then use the AutoCAD command to load the plugin into AutoCAD, then you have the unfold surface. So just use this upper load here, and then you can see here, use the content, or you can add a plugin and add this plugin. This is 2023. And then once you have that here, then you have a command called unfold surface here. So it's unfold surface. And then you can choose a surface to unfold here. This is very simple here. You just select this surface. And after that, you have a choice here to unfold the point or curve on the surface here. But here we don't have it, so just hit return. And then the surface should be unfolded here, and this is actually the result here. So it's actually going to be back here, top. Yeah, this is actually the result here, right? So, and yeah, we don't need this one here. We just delete them here, and then we just zoom all here, and so, and then we can just unfold the other piece. So this is actually the same procedure here. Just unfold the surface here. Okay, enter, and then you can have then the result. This is actually should be the same here. I delete this one here. This is should be exactly the same as the first one. And now I have then the middle one here. So middle one, just unfold surf here, and the same procedure. Select this one here, and then hit enter, and then you should get the results here. So we can have this one back and top. See top view here. Yeah, see here, this is actually the results here. And now we delete this one here. Then we have another surface to unfold. So here you have, okay, this is the last piece. Here, see, unfold, surf, and then unfold the surface, select the surface here, go here. No, I'm sorry here, so unfold, surf. Okay, and then come select this one here, and then hit enter, and then we should have the results here. So top, yeah, this is actually the result here. And see here, it's quite symmetric. Anyway, if you have any question, please let me know. And that's for today. Thank you. Bye.